ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ DM ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್, no reply, no order. If this has happened to you, listen carefully. Your problem is not the leads. Your problem is DM sales strategy. The biggest mistake in DM selling is that most sellers treat DMs like customer support. They simply reply price 4,500. But sales conversions are not information exchange. They are trust building conversations. When customers DM, they are still in the decision stage. They need reassurance, they need clarity, they need something like emotional confidence. Without that, they will disappear. Why customers disappear after asking for price? There are 4 hidden doubts in every buyer's mind. If you don't address them, conversion will drop. And I can say this in the buy framework. The buy framework, BUY framework. B stands for budget doubt. Customer is thinking, is this worth the price? If you only send the price, they compare with other pages. Instead, you can explain the value. Example, this is the pure handloom cotton saree. It's very breathable and it can be used for office wear. And the weaving is very durable, and even after multiple washes, you can use them. Now, the price gets justified. The second one is the U, which is the uncertainty. Customer is unsure about the fabric quality, the color accuracy, fall and drape, the blouse piece. In that case, send clarity. The close-up video or the fabric texture or the draping photo. The visual proof will reduce the uncertainty. And the third one is why. That is your trustworthiness. Customer wonders, is this a genuine seller? Show credibility. Example, customer review or packing videos or previous buyer photo. The trust reduces buying fear. The high conversion DM structure is that instead of replying in one line, follow a structure, which can be a 3-step conversion reply. First one, the step 1, acknowledge. Example, thank you for asking about the price. This is one of our popular pieces. This makes the customer feel valued. Second step is explain the value. It is made with lightweight silk blend, very comfortable for long events and easy to drape. Something like this. This will, when you explain this, the customer will understand the product is good. That's when you explain the value. The third step is you help them with guiding decision. Example, if you like elegant wedding sarees, this is a great option. Now customer will visualize using that product, and this will help them take the decision for buying. So luxury brands and all, no, they rarely start with price. They first communicate, they first say, talk about, or they message about the craftsmanship, why they are unique, or some story. Because people buy perceived value, not just the product. When you start with the price, your product will just become another commodity. A practical DM conversion tip is like, always ask a soft question. Example, is this saree for a wedding or a regular occasion? Now the conversation will continue, and the conversations increase conversion probability also. So sales will happen with dialogue and not just one line replies. So if your DMs are full but sales are low, don't blame the customer. Improve your conversation strategy, because in online business, sales don't happen on website. It happens in the conversation.